The river. The river was the lifeline of everyone and everything around it, and young Ravi loved to sit by its bank every single day. He even prepared for his exams there, in the peaceful rhythm of flowing water and whispering breeze. And the day came when he had to leave for higher studies to learn more about protecting the environment he so dearly loved. Though his focus never wavered from his thesis, the river, his safe place, was never far from his heart. And over time, he had learned that the river and its surroundings were not like before. He had to go back. His heart sank on seeing the river choking from plastic and debris thrown carelessly and irresponsibly. The once green fields stood dry, and the tired people helplessly watching the deterioration of the gift that once gave them life. From that day on, Ravi devoted himself to restoring what was lost, clearing and cleaning their lifeline with the help of the villagers. The change did not come overnight, but slowly the river began to breathe again, and steadily life started to return. And the fields on the river's path started to smile once more. It's our responsibility to revere and respect the hands that feed us and to pass on their grace to our future generations. Thank you for watching.